Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this is Banky Updates. Right now, guys, the reason why I'm making this video right now is to elaborate you something about traditional crypto, CBDC, and Pi Network. Traditional crypto, CBDC, and Pi Network. I want you to understand the difference between these theory currency, this TV currency I'm talking about right now. I want you guys to understand it. Firstly, I am going to start with the traditional crypto. The traditional crypto are the one that was first created on the blockchain. First created on the blockchain. The traditional crypto is the first one, and the traditional cryptos was created in 2009. And the first crypto which was created on the traditional blockchain is bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first crypto that was created, launched 2009, and since then bitcoin has rise from zero to about $70,000. Right now, people are predicting Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000 very soon. And I want you to understand the features of traditional crypto. Features of traditional crypto. For example, traditional crypto serve as an investment asset or for buy and selling. For buy and selling. Traditional servers one. That is number one feature for you. Number two, the value goes up and down, fluctuates depending on market sentiment. It fluctuates depending on market sentiment. Many people do not know this. There is difference between traditional crypto and the CBDC. So the value fluctuates. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. And again, it is decentralized. Nobody control it. Nobody can control it like central bank of your country. The way the central bank of your country control your monies, do everything, something like that. With the traditional crypto, you cannot control it. Nobody control it. It is decentralized and managed by non-financial institution. Non-financial institution. Nobody control it. Nobody manage it. An example of traditional crypto, as I said before, is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tron, Cardano, etc., Ripples, etc., like that, like that. There are a lot of them out there, which is a crypto which are volatile crypto. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. They are based on blockchain. Nobody controls them. Nobody can control them. Nobody can get your money. Nobody can control your money when you put money on it. When you have them, nobody can get your money away from you. Secondly, I want to explain CBDC for you. CBDC. What is the full meaning of CBDC? CBDC means Central Bank Digital Currency. Central Bank Digital Currency. That is the full meaning of CBDC. CBDC is a digital currency of a country. Yes, it is a digital currency of a country. For example, in Nigeria we have Naira. In US they have US dollar, which is the dollar. The dollar is the fiat of CBDC, of the digital currency. The fiat is a paper money. It's a paper money. While the CBDC is the digital form of that fiat. Digital form of that fiat. One fiat is equivalent to one CBDC. One fiat is equivalent to one CBDC. For instance, in Nigeria, one naira is equal to one naira because naira is the Nigeria own type of CBDC. So one naira is equal to one naira, which is the CBDC. And another features of the CBDC is that they are centralized. They are centralized, regulated, and managed by the central bank of a country. They are managed. The more fiat that is printed, the more fiat that is printed, then the more CBDC that is going to be created. For instance, let's say in a year, if your country is printing about 1 trillion of your country currency, then there is going to be 1 trillion CBDC currency coin that is going to be created also, that is going to be created. So the more fiat that is created, the more CBDC that is going to be created also. The more CBDC that is going to be created also. Example of CBDC in Nigeria, we have INERA. INERA is the first is the digital currency of our naira, which is the CBDC. In China, they have digital currency electronic payment, which they call DCEP. DCEP. Why their fiat currency name is called yuan, which you also call CNY, CNY. Indonesia have rupiah digital in process, rupiah digital in process. Their fiat they call it rupiah. Their fiat they call it rupiah. I believe you understand that too. The native crypto and the CBDC. Right now, let me go to Pi network. Let me explain Pi network to you. Pi network is a digital, it's a cryptocurrency. Yes, it's also a cryptocurrency which is built on blockchain, which is created on blockchain. One thing about Pi currency is that it's different in one way from the crypto or traditional crypto and the CBDC. One thing the reason why the traditional crypto was created is to serve the purpose of what Pi network is about to do right now. Is to serve such purpose. But as things goes on, people when it is because crypto is very new during that period, so people did not get the information and the vision of Satoshi Nakamoto. Right now, the reason for creation of Pi Network is to serve as a cross-border payment for all countries all over the world. Cross-border payment for all the country all over the world. Pi Network, you will be able to use Pi Network to purchase any goods and services. That is one of the reasons why the Pi Core team said that they will not list Pi Network on any crypto exchange. If crypto exchange want to list it, then they can get it by themselves. But the main purpose of Pi Network is to use Pi Network for buy and selling. That is, maybe you go to any store in your city or close to you, then you will be able to use Pi to pay for goods. You will be able to use Pi to pay for goods there. Right now, there is no official rate for the price of Pi, but in some country like Indonesia, China, South Korea, Vietnam, Philippines, and some other country like that, they value one Pi as 314,159, something like that. That is 314,500 and I think 508, 509. So that is their value rate of Pi to dollar. That is their value rate of their Pi to dollar. And as a currency, right now Pi is still on enclosed mainnet, and the Pi core team has announced it already that this year Pi is going to be on open mainnet. When it's on open mainnet, then every exchange and other network can connect to Pi network. And right now, Pi has its own ecosystem supported by hundreds of platforms providing goods and services so that users can use Pi, which is also money, Pi money, for mining to buy various needs. You can use it to buy everything, anything you like, anything. Right now, you can still mine Pi in case you think you are late. You are not late to mine pi. But one thing you need to do if you want to mine, if you want to get more pi right now, you need to do something. It's either you run the pi node or you provide service for pi to get pi. You render service to get pi. Maybe you are a plumber, you can render service for people and let them pay you in pi. Or if you sell clothes, you sell anything, you can receive pi. You can tell them this is the amount, this is my, you can tell them one pi is equal to $100 in my store, one pi is equal to $10. So come and buy goods with pi. Then people will come to you, because right now to get one pi in a day, to get one pi is no more easy like it was before. It's no more easy like it was before. So the only ways you can get pi, more pi right now, is to render service or you run the node. So those are the information I have for you right now. So from the brief explanation above, from the brief explanation, we can conclude that between traditional crypto, CBDC, and Pi Network are different projects, especially in terms of purpose, functions, and their purpose. One similarity that they have is that they use blockchain technology for easy cross-border transaction, cheaper cost, and time, which is more efficient. Yes, which is more efficient. So is Pi related to CBDC? The answer is no. Pi is not related to CBDC at all. Pi is not related to CBDC. Pi is here to make economic activities easier, to make economic activities easier for everybody. Pi is here to give out wealth to people. According to the court team, they said pi will be worth the amount of the amount the pioneers call it. Pi will be worth whatever the pioneer call it, whatever they agree to. That is the amount, that is the price of pi. So right now people are promoting the GCV of pi, the GCV of pi to be this amount, to be this price. So guys, if you still think you are late on pi, you are not yet late. One, if you can get one pi, that means you are good. You are good if you can get one pi, so you are good. So based on this video concerning the reason of making this video, I hope you understand between the difference between the traditional crypto, the CBDC, and pi network. So guys, I hope I make this explanation clear for those people that do not understand it very well. So I hope I make this very clearly. Pi network will not be for exchanges. Pi network will serve as money. It will serve as a currency itself. It will serve as currency itself worldwide. So guys, thank you for watching. I believe I've done my best to explain this for you. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. I'm also still going to explain more to you. If you have any question to ask, please don't forget to check the comment section and ask your question. I will be happy to answer you. I will be happy to answer you. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by hitting the bell, by hitting the subscribing button below. Please subscribe to this channel so that we can keep on growing together. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your loved ones and family. So guys, thank you. Goodbye for now.